Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Gull. Today I am going to share the best tricks and tips to improve your English speaking practice. So, firstly, now let me ask you a question. Do you know sometimes English words and English phrases and English vocabulary, but when it's time to speak, you get stuck? Or maybe you understand English songs, English movies, and English novels, English books, English textbooks, but you hesitate to speak? If your answer is yes, then stay with me at the last, because in this video I'm going to share simple, practical and fun tips that can use every day to become fluent and confident in English. So let's get into the video. Tip number 1 is that start speaking now. Yes, my dear friends, you heard it right. Start speaking from today. Don't wait for perfect English. Most learners think when they speak, when their grammar is perfect. But dear friends, grammar is important. I know, but it's not urgent. If you wait, you will never begin. For example, if you want to say in English, if you want to say in English that मैं market जा रहा हूँ, so just simply say I go market now. Yes, it's not perfect English, I know, but at least you are communicating. Later you will improve it to I'm going to the market now. Actually, the secret is fluency comes by speaking, not by waiting. So, my dear friends, start from today. Start from today. Start speaking in English every day, even with mistakes, because mistakes are your teachers. Tip number 2, think in English. Yes, think in English is very important for speaking English, practicing for practice speaking English. Think in English. Tip number 2 is really a powerful technique to improve your English. Most learners think most learners don't think in English. Most learners firstly translate English from their native language and then speak, which is actually a wrong way. If you think in your native language and then translate it in English, this type of process will slow your brain. Actually, you must train your brain to think directly in English. For example, if you are eating something, so don't instead of thinking in Urdu or Hindi, just simply say this food is delicious. While walking outside, just say the weather is nice today. And if you are looking in the mirror, so just say I look confident today. These small thoughts in English will reprogram your brain to think naturally and confidently in English. Tip number 3 is shadowing technique. Use the shadowing technique. This technique is very powerful for improving your English speaking practice. For example, if you listen a native speaker from YouTube, Netflix or podcast, try to copy their speed. For example, if you hear that a native speaker say what are you doing today, so instantly repeat their so instantly you should repeat that what are you doing today. This helps you a lot to improve your English speaking practice. Actually, native speakers are very helpful for improving your English speaking practice. For example, you should try their speed, their rhythm and their tune, so you will definitely achieve your goals, and you will improve day by day. Tip number 4 is record yourself. Yes, recording yourself is very important. Actually, it's the fastest way to improve your English speaking practice. Record yourself daily for 1 to 2 minutes daily on any topic that is very important for learning English and for improving English. You will notice in this record method, you will notice that which word you mispronounce, and where you pause too much, and which sentence sound good. This recording yourself is very helpful for your English improvement, and these tips are very helpful. So must try these simple steps if you want to achieve your goals in English language journey. Because when you record yourself, and when you record, you will listen the record, so you will notice all the mistakes, all the words which you mispronounce. So you will notice your mistakes, and after that you will improve it. Tip number 5 is learn phrases, not words. This means that if you learn the words only, so it's very difficult for making the sentence. So dear friends, learn phrases, not only words. If you memorize the words only, you will struggle to make sentences, but if you learn the phrases, you will speak naturally and more confidently in English. So learn phrases, not only words. For example, instead of learning the word apologize, just simply learn the phrases. I apologize for being late. I apologize for being late. So and for example, like other sentence, that instead of learning the word hungry, simply learn the phrase I'm starving, and let's grab something to eat. So these small simple phrases in English, like ready-made sentences, will give you more confident and fluency in English conversation. So for improving your English, for learning English, and for being confident in English, you should learn the whole phrases, not only words. Next step is daily practice for 10 minutes. Yes, you have to try it. Practice like you say, जिस तरह आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, practice makes perfect. So practice is very important for speaking English language. For example, if you daily practice for 10 minutes every single day, you will definitely improve your English speaking journey. If you don't have a partner, talk to yourself in English. Talk in front of the mirror in English, and join online English classes and apps. These are very helpful for improving your English speaking practice. So dear friends, practice is very important if you want to achieve your destiny in English, if you want to upgrade your English. So must practice for English every single day for 10 minutes. Tip number 7 is make English fun. Yes, you heard it right. Make English fun is very important for learning English. Enjoy the process. If you feel boring, you will never learn English. But if you connect it with your hobbies, you will love learning. So dear friends, you should read interesting stories and interesting books and interesting novels in English with subtitles, and watching English movies and songs with sing along. These small steps in English will improve your English than you imagine. So make English fun for yourself is very important for upgrade your English level and to achieve your English fluency. So you should must create your English learning whole process a fun process. So try to make English a fun, like a fun. Tip number 8 is speak without fear. Yes, you heard it right. Don't fear. Don't fear when you speak English. Don't afraid of making mistakes, because mistakes are your teachers. Even native speakers makes mistakes, because every mistake is a step forward toward fluency. So speak bravely. If you for example, if you say he go to school, yes, it's not perfect English, but at least you are communicating, and the perfect English is he goes to school. But जिस तरह पहले भी हम कह चुके हैं कि एवरी मिस्टेक इज़ अ स्टेप फॉरवर्ड टूअर्ड फ्लुएंसी. सो अगर आप मिस्टेक्स करेंगे तभी आप इंग्लिश में इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सकेंगे. सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स, बिकॉज मिस्टेक्स आर part of your journey. If you mistakes, you will improve it, you will learn. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. So these are my English tricks and tips that you can achieve your goal in English fluency, and you will be confident in English. So must try these simple tricks and tips. Dear friends, tell me in the comments below which type of process, which type of tricks are you apply first: shadowing, reading, and listening. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more English learning videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.